Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite dish, meal, food. We preserve food every single day. Every day we cook. Every day we are in the kitchen creating ideas, doing stuff. You know what I mean? You know, Chef Ricardo do work in different part of restaurants and stuff and in the school. So we always cooking. We cooking every day, and you know what I mean, as soon as we have an idea, we put it on the YouTube channel. Basically we try to make, you know what I mean, you can save money at home. Sometimes you cook too much stuff and you want to chuck it in the bin. You don't need to chuck it in the bin. There's ways you can save money in your household, in your kitchen. Remember, you got gas bills, this to pay, so we have to save money. Anyway, to save money this is the way. Basically today I make you a nice lovely is I got some rice left over and bits and pieces, and I'm just turning into a salad rice. So guys, hopefully you like the recipe and subscribe to the channel. And it's just a simple salad rice. You can make it, bring it to work, and you can have that with a nice lovely glass of Coca-Cola with some lemon inside of it. So thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. We got a lot more tips and ideas and ways how to save money in this summer. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. Bye-bye. This is some leftover rice, basically. I didn't chuck it in the bin because I always say I can find something to do with it. This right here is some chopped tomato, which I have a little bit left. Have it on its own. You can have it on its own. So right here, this is the rice, and first of all, we're gonna season up the rice by put a little bit of coarse pepper and little bit of all-purpose seasoning. You don't have to, this is just option, guys, but just to bring in a little flavor to the rice. Pinch of olive oil, get that chopped tomato sauce, and basically 1, 2, 3, a nice good lovely 4 tablespoons. Give it a lovely stir like this. So as you can see, exactly right here is like tomato, it's chopped tomato rice stuff into the aubergine, give it a nice lovely flavor. So that's why I put the all-purpose season, just to bring up the flavor a little bit. Nice and lovely. So basically we have a little bit of rice left. Basically we're going to show you how you can make some salad rice and bring it to work. Okay, ideas, guys. Scrape the rice straight inside of the bowl like this. Basically get some cucumber, and what you're gonna do with the cucumber is remove the seed from the cucumber by cutting it off and scrape it out with a spoon like this. All right, that's what you're gonna do. Lovely. So this is what you want to do, is scrape out the middle of the cucumber, remove the seeds. Simple. Cut it up very small. And add it to the rice. Then I got a medium-sized tomato. What you're gonna do, remove the seed from the tomato by simply use a knife and cut around it like this, and simple scrape it out. Lovely. So it's supposed to be like this inside. Then what you're gonna do is simple, cut it up very small. We already have tomato. We don't want to add too much, but we're just bringing a little flavor to it. Piece of a pepper. Piece of a pepper. And piece of a pepper. Lovely. And basically, simple. Cut it up very small. And we're gonna also add it to it. Lovely and nice. Nice one. We got some spring onion, which is gonna bring a lot of flavor to it also. We're just gonna put it straight inside of it like that. Basically, the best thing to use is a spoon and give it a nice, lovely spin like this. And basically, we can bring this to work. And look at that. That is fantastic, guys. Basically, we're gonna share it out in the bowl. That's the guys can see exactly what we are talking about. So this is just a simple rice salad. Look at that. Beautiful and nice, guys. And I know you guys are gonna love this one. Look at the color. Look at the color, guys. Really nice. So basically, this is just some ideas which you can do at home in the summer. Guys, it's gonna be really hot. So basically, you need to have a lot of ideas of things which you can do at home. So basically, that is the salad right there. A lovely, nice, easy, simple rice salad. And you can make this one at home. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. As you can see, that's exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about when we're talking about vegetable and eggs, vegetable salad right here with rice and peppers and you name it. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.